Hello, my lovely Key Stage 2 learners. I'm here for you again. If you notice, my math videos lately has focused on, the math videos have actually focused on Key Stage 2, Key Stage 2, Key Stage 2 learners. Why am I focusing here for now? That's because I understand that everything you will do in Key Stage 3, Key Stage 4, the algebra you will do, the surd you will do, the logarithm you will do, the trigonometry you will do, the integral and differential calculus you will do is a function of what you do at the level you are right now. If we get this right now, when you get to Key Stage 3 and 4 and they start throwing you with the bones, you'll be able to deal. All right, so I want to look at a simple method of division. You know, there are times when we cannot actually use the strategy I thought of in my previous video, where we just use our eyes, use the number of zeros we have for the divisor to move the decimal point of the dividend backwards. There are times you might not be given numbers where you have your divisor with a 0 for the unit, 0 for the 100, and all of that. What if you're asked, or you're given numbers like this, and you're asked to divide? For those of us who want to write primary 6 exams to get to secondary school, those of us who are even just introduced to upper primary, where you are taught long division and you struggle with it. What should come first? There are different operations I'm carrying out just in one. What do I do? Stay with me. All right, I want us to try long division with whole numbers. I'm going to set in the decimals much later, but let's take these whole numbers first. This is 315 divided by 9. First one I'm going to work out. And 501 divided by 7. If we divide with this, if we do 315 divided by 9, we'll get an answer which is the quotient without a remainder, because 9 is a factor of this number. But because 7 is not a factor of 501, when we carry out the long division process, you will see remainder. So what I want to teach us is, how do we carry out long division when we are required not to have a remainder, and when a remainder will come with us? So stay with me, because you need this. All right. Don't mind the galus. You know, for those of us who are in senior class and we're learning binomial nomenclature, that's animal making that noise there. The binomial nomenclature is galus domesticus. It's worrying. All right. So we have this number 315 divided by 9. What do we do? We're using long division. The first thing I'm going to do is identify this as my divisor. Please note this is my divisor, and this number here is my dividend. Just know this, and whatever answer we get is the quotient. So this is long division. I want to do this. Please, your dividend, the number you want to share, which is your dividend, is 315, and it stays inside. The number that you're using, that you want to use to share this, your divisor, is 9, and it stays out. Most of us don't even know which one will stay in and which one will stay out. Most times we are confused. You know why I'm saying this? Because over the years, I've actually taught different Key Stage 2 learners, and I understand their challenges. I understand what they struggle with. Is it because they are not intelligent? No. But sometimes these things can be very confusing. But don't worry, that's why I am here. So, know where to place your divisor. Your divisor is out. Your dividend is in. Divisor out, dividend in. We just need to know where to place this. Then, once we have gone past this stage, there's something else we need to know. And what is it? The signs that we use and how we follow the signs. This is division. We divide, we multiply, we subtract, and we pull down. You see why I'm writing these steps here? Because it's going to guide everything that will be done here. First, you divide. Then you multiply. Next, you subtract. Lastly, you pull down, bring down, carry down. Once you do this, you come back again and start the process. So it is a process that requires, one, that you be patient with yourself. Two, that you be patient with the process. So be very patient, because I've observed that most of us are not patient. You just watch the video, the first 2-3 words, no, you scroll down to the next. Be patient with yourself and be patient with the process. That's what you need. All right, so remember, this number is the divisor, and what I have here is the dividend. I'm going to pick this number first. Remember, this is the number, this divided by this. So this is 3 divided by 9. Of course, this will not work. How can you have a divisor, 9, that is bigger than the dividend? So because this will not work, 3 divided by 9. 3. I didn't say 9 divided by 3. If you say 9 divided by 3, you would have changed the divisor. The divisor will become 3. But in the question says our divisor is 9. So whatever you do, it must be divided by 9. That's why we are picking 3 divided by 9. Are you there? All right. So this is it. That's 3 divided by 9. So if you have 3 divided by 9 here, please notice this. It won't work. Because if you need whatever you want to do here, you get 0 points, whatever. So that 0 will bring the 0 and write it directly on top of this 3. Once we have, remember, we have done 3 divided by 9. We have picked division. After division, we multiply. 3 divided by 9, 0. We come here, 0 times 9. So this divided by this times this. So we go this way, we multiply. We come this way, we divide. That's all you need to know. So we have gotten 0 here. 0 times 9. Of course, any number multiplied by 0 is 0. So that 0 times 9 is 0. I'll come here and I'll put my 0 just underneath 3. 0. I have divided 3 divided by 9. 0. 0 times 9. 0. Next, I'm going to subtract. So that 3 minus 0. My answer is what? 3. And after subtracting, you pull down. What am I going to pull down? I'll pull this down. Drag it down. And this is 1. Remember, we said that once we pull down, the next is to start the process over again. So we have division. I'm coming back to division. This is now 31. I'm working with this now. 31 divided by 9. So the next thing I have here is 31 divided by 9. 31 divided by 9. All I need to do is count in 9s. 9, 18, 27. After 27 is what? People are not saying anything. All right. So just take note. This is 9, 18, 27. After 27, this is 31. The next multiple of 9 is more than 31. So I'm going to stop at 27, which is the third multiple. So that 31 divided by 9 is going to give me 3 whole. That is to say 9 will go into 31 3 whole times. So I'm going to come up here and I write my 3. Remember, 31 divided by 9, 3 whole. After division, I'll multiply. 3 times 9. Remember, 3 times 9. This is 7. After multiplication, I'll subtract. 1 minus 7. It won't work. I come here and I borrow 1. Here will be left with 2. This is 11. 11 minus 7. This will give me 4. After subtraction, my dear learners, I'll pull down. And this is what? This is 5. Once I pull down, the process starts all over again. I'll do that. I'm going to go down, 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 down until I get 0. Alright, so I come back here. This is 45 divided by 9. So we're going to count on in 9s. We're doing 45 divided by 9. So that this is 9, 18, 27, 36, and 45. That means 45 here divided by 9. How many 9s you will see when you're counting? How many 9s you are going to see in 45 is what? Is 5. So this is 5. 5 times 9. 5 times 9 is 45. After multiplication is subtraction. So when I subtract, this will be 5 minus 5, 0. 4 minus 4, 0. There is nothing else for me to pull down. What does this mean? This means that, or therefore, 315 divided by 9 is 35. What does this mean? It means that there is no remainder. That means 9 is a factor of 315. So 315 divided by 9 is 35. How do you know? Look at the steps. Follow the rules. First, you divide. Divide whatever you have here by your divisor. Once you are done dividing, whatever you get as your answer, you put it up. After the division, you multiply. You multiply what you got here and here. And whatever you get as you multiply, you're going to bring your answer down here. And once you do that, you subtract what you have previously and what you got. Then when you write whatever you get after subtracting, whatever you have next, you pull it down. You go that way. You divide, you multiply, you subtract, you pull down. You divide, you multiply, you subtract, you pull down. You divide, multiply, subtract, pull down until there is nothing left for you to pull down. And by the time you get to a point where you have nothing left, if it's a whole number you're dividing, and whatever you're using as your divisor is a factor of that number, you'd have gotten to 0, 0. And at that point, you can cover your pen and rest in case. So I'll see you again to solve this problem.